Hey everybody, Lee Goldstein here for 10 Minute Trades, and it was a really good trading week. This should be called Trades of the Week. Let me show you why. Sometimes you got to get up early to earn some money. American Express was just such an example of that concept. I knew Verizon would not have any impact on the market, and in fact, their earnings came out 5 minutes before they were expected. Inconsistency is the greatest enemy to trading, especially earnings. That tells us on a regular basis to avoid Verizon earnings. But we had American Express. We had our TradingView charts. We had our Thinkorswim news feed. I was expecting American Express to be released on time. Watch the chart on the left, and you're going to see our range trade gets drawn. There's our range. American Express is going to release their earnings in just a few seconds. There's an explosion in price, hits all of our targets, and immediate profit for every single person in the room who traded and made money. And it was only one other person. I spent the rest of the morning trying to understand why people don't get up early and come to these important trade rooms for earnings, especially in the morning. They're very profitable, they're low risk, they're low stress. So I'm telling you now, come into the trade room and catch these early earnings. But that was not even our trade of the week. It could have been our trade of the week, but keep watching. Let me show you something way better. I gave a webinar this week all about the processes we use to find good trades, how to use the playback tool to help you to succeed. And that's how we came up with this DMM. We did our testing. I did the playbacks. Watch what happened on this trade today. Flash Manufacturing, an amazingly great trap trade. And one of my major other videos was a lesson on how to trade the trap trade. Here again, we have a trap, 2 orders above, 2 orders below. The price shoots up and we go the opposite way short. And now, even though gold is significantly bullish, I'm expecting the price to drop, and I'm expecting that we'll make our money on that reversal. And by the way, look at the great move that bonds had. We had a breakout setup on bonds. Again, the testing is showing us the events to trade and the instruments. Now, you had to be a little bit patient with gold, but trust me, it's going to reverse. I'm watching in the room. We're talking about the trade. The concern was gold could go and test the high of the day, and that would stop us out on the trap trade. Unless you decided to increase your risk and move your stop, what would have to be significantly above the high of the day. I was not prepared to do that. I didn't want to do that, and I was thinking I wouldn't have to do that because gold was struggling to hit my second tier. It was struggling to hit my second target, but I was still in the negative 46 seconds and a minute after the trade. I still, however, was expecting a nice reversal so that we could make our profit and have a great ending to the week. Now look, the candle's red. Things are starting to go our way. If it goes red significantly, I'm going to cancel the outer tier. There's a button. It's a little bit hard to see. It shows up when you enable a trap trade, and it says cancel the outer tier. That's the order that's in the way of the stop if you want to move your stop into safety. Moving a stop into safety means you move your stop into profit, that your first part of the trade is now profitable. Here comes our reversal. Now, I'm just waiting for the right moment for the reversal to get bigger so I can cancel the outer tier, move my stop into safety, make my targets bigger, maybe down by the VWAP, okay, this green line here, because gold loves to test that area. I canceled the outer tier. I've trailed my stop into safety. I've expanded my target. Now it's a management game. I'm slowly trailing as the price moves down. It continues in this direction. When this trade was over, I'm going to move the video up a little bit quicker. It kept going down. I kept trailing. It kept going down. I kept trailing. By the time we were done, I'm going to tell you the profit for me was over $400, or just about $400. Keep in mind, not everybody makes the same amount of money, but other members in the room made more. Some members made less. The point is, it was a perfect trap trade. How did we find the settings? We did a webinar all about using the playback tool in the NinjaTrader, which is free. That's how we find our settings. That's how we make many of our DMMs, our daily trade reports. And that's why I'm going to say that Flash Manufacturing, not American Express earnings, is our trade of the week. Here's a screenshot. Ravi from Switzerland, over $450 profits from Flash Manufacturing, and over $700 just trading with us for the day in his prop account. Quite a few members made excellent profits on this trade. Flash Manufacturing, the trade of the week, everyone. Thanks for watching. Watch the video about playback so you can learn how to find your own trades, test your own trades, and become an expert appointment-based trader. Trade the news your way. Lee Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. See you in the trade room. Check the email for a great opportunity to become a pro member.